hangin. Ganda guys. Oh, lamig. Lamig. Ang lamig guys. See? It's windy. I feel cold. I feel cold na. I feel cold and then I'm wearing. Look at the building there. See, that's the building. Galing ka na dito?
This is my first time.
Ah. Doon kami nag-hiking na ay Ate Josie. Mike! This Madam Regina is here. Madam Regina. Hi!
Money, money, money.
Receive, receive, receive.
I see the money over there. Kasi, sugar. The money is over there. Issue nga.
Wait ah.
Yung money there. Yung money over in the, ano, in the, money, money, money.
Masa na si ano? Yun.
Hi, Mike.
Mag-telescope ka doon, oh, madam.
Okay, Mama Ellie. Tapos, anahan mo ko ng short video.
Ay, naninigas yung aking mga kamay. Tika.
God. I feel like... You see, Mama Ellie, my breath is like...
Yeah. Malamig nga. Naninigas yung aking ano. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice view. Yeah, it's a little bit cold. I'm going to end na guys. Because my hand is, you know, cannot hold. I'm going to live again later in my Zumba. So I'm going to end na guys. Thank you so much.
Baliktad tayo. Ako naka-long skirt and you are have a short.
Kasi naka-ready na ako pang Zumba, parang pinag-bibis tatak-tatak ba? Yes.
Flexing my long skirt.
Flexing my
Wala nga ba?
my skirt. Yeah, mag-flex ka na ng long skirt mo. Ako mag-flex ako ng short legs ko. Ay, short.
Money.
Short skirt.
I have my long skirt. Okay, ate.
Master. Ikaw, money.
Your master is watching at you.
Yeah. Yan, sige na. Money.
Money.
Ako, master.
Ate Josie, we are here.
Bye, guys. Thanks. God bless all.